To make a one seam flying geese block, you'll need one rectangle 6.5 inches by 3.5 inches and two 3.5 inch squares. What you need to do first is fold your square in half and make a crease in the middle. Now you will take one square and place this rectangle along a raw edge. And you'll get some space on the other side where the fold is. And now we'll place the other square onto it, and you've just sandwiched the rectangle. This is the raw edge, and here you'll stitch at the top. You don't stitch on the fold. This is the only thing to be careful about. See, here's the fold, and you'll stitch here. I've already sewn one. What we'll do now is press the seam allowance open at the back. I'll press it, and here you'll get a nice little top point. Turn to the front and open the rectangle. Now you'll match the seam and the crease. And here it is, your pretty flying geese block. Enjoy! Visit Applegreen Cottage for detailed tutorials. Thank you.